Tired of orders getting stuck because you missed a required field? Learn the exact 9-step process to create orders in Salesforce without errors. We'll walk through each field step by step, from the Order tab to the final Save button. Follow along to get it right every time. Click the Order tab to open the Orders list. Then go ahead and click the New Order button to begin creating a new order. Now choose the appropriate order type from the drop-down. Once that's done, change the status field to the desired value. Next, enter the shipping address in the provided fields. Then, set the order's start date by picking a date from the calendar. After that, fill in the Customer Authorized By field with the appropriate contact. Finally, enter the billing address to complete the address details. All right, once everything looks good, click Save to create the order. Thanks for watching.